Hey guys, welcome back to the video. And in this, we are gonna create the next section of our website. As you can see, we already created the header and this offer section. And now what we need to work on is this part, the packages that we offer. And we offer three packages that are the elite, the adventurous, and the budget. Elite obviously being the most expensive one, starting with $1,000 and then 1,500 and $1,000. And according to the package, we have different offers for the customers or different facilities will provide to the customer. And then we have the small button over here below all of them, book now. So let's get started. So the first thing we'll need to do is create the heading, and let us first create a new section over here, and it will be section class. Let's call it section package. Okay, and in this, what we have first is a heading that says book a package now. So book a package now, and let's give this heading a class of package heading. So it must be there now. Yeah, nice. So now we want it to be in the center, and the other elements we add, we want it to be in a column. So let's style the package section a bit. So I'll make its display as flex, and I'll change the flex direction to column. So the next element we add after H2 gets inserted in a column way and not next to it, because we made the display flex. And after that, we want to center it. So I'll use align items center. Perfect. Now, sorry, let's style the heading. So package heading, and to style it, let me first increase its font size to around 40px. Okay, and let's make the text uppercase, and let's reduce the font weight to 100. Perfect. And now let's add the letter spacing, one of my favorite properties. So yeah, okay, this looks good now. And let me just add a margin top over here. Margin top 40px. Okay, perfect. So after this, let's add the package section. So to add the packages, I'll first create a div with a class called package boxes, and inside this we'll have a div with a class of package box, and we'll have three of these. Okay, let's make one of it first, and then we can change it according to the way we want. So then we can just copy paste after we have created the first one. So the first one, first we have to make the package boxes and its display should be uh, yeah, its display should be flex. And over here we are not going to specify the flex direction as column, because we want all the boxes to appear in a row, right, not column wise. Because if you see, all of these are in a row. If you want them to appear in one, stacked column wise, then we would have written flex selection as column. So in the upper one, the flex direction was column because see, this is a separate element, this is a separate element. If I don't make this flex direction column, so all these would be stacked up in this one row. So I hope you got that. And yeah, now display as flex, and that's pretty much it for now. So let's add an heading. Let's add a heading over here, and I'll give it a class as package box heading. And the heading for the first box is to be elite, and we'll also add an image. Let me first fix the heading part and make the box. So the package box also has a border of 2px solid and orange red. So okay, and I want the width of a package box to be 400px and the height to be 700px. Alright, and I want the display of this as flex, and over here we are going to specify flex direction as column, because if you see this, the heading, the image, the price and the list are all placed in a column layout. So after specifying the column layout, let's center everything with align items center. So our heading has been centered, that's perfect. And now let's style the heading. So for heading, we can say package heading, and first I'll make it uppercase. It should change. Oh, I'm sorry. Package box heading. Yeah. So yeah, it's uppercase, and I'm gonna provide it a margin of 20px up and down and 0 in left and right. Okay, and we'll provide a margin to the package box as well. Margin top of, or total margin. So let's say 40px. Uh, let's try 50. All right. And now I'm gonna add a border radius over here of around 30%. Let's try 20. Better. And now all we need is our image over here. So image src images slash elite, and let's add a class to it, class package box image. And if you see the image now, it's gonna mess up everything, right? So we'll need to style it first. So to style the image, let's add the class package box image, and let's say we want the width of the image to be around 350px and height auto. So perfect, exactly where we wanted it. And now let's add a border radius to the image of around 20%, and a margin top, or a margin, I'll add it top and bottom as well, of 30px and 0 left and right. Okay, perfect. The next part is the list. So let's continue with the list now. So for list, we'll add an unordered list, and you'll see what happens in an unordered list. So I'll just copy the list contents from here. So for every list item, you have to add it in an li. Okay, so I'll show you the one I copied from there. Yeah. So this is a list item, this is a list item. So I'll show you what happens if I make it an ordered list. See, you see 1, 2, 3, 4 over here, right? Now, if we change it to unordered list, you'll see bullets. Okay, so this is what we want right now. So for this, we can give it a class called. We also do one more thing. Add the list inside a div. Oh, I think we'll see how to fix it later. So let's add the class of package box list. So package box list, and for this, let us first change the font size to around 20 px. Try 30. Uh, package box list. Yeah, we should try 20 again. It didn't refresh the first time. Yeah, I think that is better. And now we'll add a margin top to it. Margin top of around 20 px. Let's add some more, 40. Okay, and I can change this to 25 px. Okay, this looks better. And in between, we also had to add a price. Yeah, I was wondering something was missing. So we can add a price with a p tag, and we can give it a class of, let's say, package price. And for this, it's supposed to be $2,000. So if we come over here, we'll also need to style the package price. So package and price. So you'll see it appear over here for now. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Package price. Okay. So now let's style the package price. So let us say font size would be around 25. Okay, perfect. And now all we need is a button over here that says book now. So for that book now button, I would add an anchor tag. So I think we should also increase the size of the package box heading. Yeah, I forgot to do it over here. Font size 30 px. Perfect. Now the button, for the button, let us add an anchor tag, a href default link and book now. That's it. So, and we'll give it a class of package button. Now it looks like this. So let's style it, and to style it, package button. And yeah, because again it's an anchor tag, so first I'll use the link part, and then the visited and I want the color to be white, and I don't want the underline, so text decoration none. And let us increase the font size a bit, so I would say around 20 px, and let us make the text uppercase and a margin top of around 40 px, a bit more, better. And now let's add a background color to it of black itself, and just reduce the transparency a bit. Yeah, although that won't be much of a use to add black, I'm sorry. I'll just add a border radius of 20% and a border of, yeah, I meant to add that border 2px solid orange red. And let's give it a padding of, let's say, 20 px. I think up and down 10 and left and right 20. Okay, perfect. So now what we'll do is change the transparency of this to a bit lighter color, and as and when we hover over it, we want it to get darker. So package button and hover, and package button visited. So border 2px solid, and we'll give it complete orange red, and we'll just add that transition effect so it looks animated, all 0.2 seconds. Yeah, perfect. So now to create the other three, all we need to do is copy the package box div over here and paste. Perfect. So now I just need to bring them a bit closer. So I would say package boxes. Yeah, just online items center, and justify content, and I would just change some margin over here. Yeah, so I want the top and bottom margin to be 70 and left and right can be 30 px. Better. And now all we need to do is make the changes in the content over here. So instead of elite, the next package was adventurous, and the price of this was 1500, and we do not cover the 5-star resorts over here, and the adventure sports are only 5 of them. Perfect. And in the third one, it is the budget package, budget, and the price is $1000. And over here, we do not include the travel as well, and again 5 adventure sports. So now you can see this button is being shifted. So to fix this, what we can do is, let me try it if it works. The list, yes. So the height of the list can be 100 px. Yeah. So now what that actually does is, see, all of them have a height of 100 px now. So the button is exactly at the same distance from the border. Let me show you. Border to px solid orange. Yeah. So we can give it 10. I think this would work. So as you can see, this is the margin over here. So the height is 100 and the buttons are exactly at the same distance from this height. So that helps to make them equal over there. So I'll just remove this border. I don't need it over here. And yeah, I guess this does it. And oh, we need to change the image as well. So I'll just add the adventures image over here. And over here it would be budget. So there we go. We have this section prepared as well, and we have only two more sections left now, which is the reviews of the clients and the contact us, which we would be doing in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.